Okay, so it's the end of September, so we're going to go take a look at some of the notable micros that showed up on my channel this month. Got a kind of a hodgepodge of stuff here, a bunch of 3-inch things here and one 2.5-inch. I thought this one here, the Hive 16, was kind of interesting. Ultra light 3-inch with a 16 by 16 stack. We're going to be doing more videos on this probably later, but if you want to check this video out, this one was kind of cool. 60 gram micro on 2S on these hype train motors and 3-inch props. If you're into the ultra light 3-inch scene, then you probably want to check this video out. Here's another 3-inch here off of the Ascent X 3-inch frame, and this is the 6S that I built. I did a couple videos on those this month. These prototype Emax motors, 1306, 2700 kV. I'm going to be doing more 6S tests down the road. I'm going to see if I can try some higher kV motors and maybe some 1400 series or something like that. So you'll be seeing more 6S videos on this micro soon. Okay, so we got another 3-inch micro here. This is the XPK-RC from SBC Maker. Another interesting 3-inch frame, bottom mount battery, 1106 4500 kV motors on a 3-inch prop. Pretty decent flight times on a 550 4S. Not a whole ton of power because it's still 1106 motor, but it's fairly lightweight. You get some pretty decent flight times. I think I was getting like 4.5 minutes on this, flying around pretty aggressively. So if you want to check out this frame and this particular, I think this comes as a bind and fly here with the XM Plus receiver. Yeah, check out that video. Okay, so if you're looking for like super long flight times, I think this one here, I got the winner for this month. This is the Heli Futon Mini, and it's because of these motors here are pretty basic motors, 1306, 3100 kV, and this prop combination, these Dal Cyclone props. I don't remember exactly how long it flew for. It's got to go back and check that video out, but I think it was like 7 or maybe 8 minutes, something like that. It was pretty ridiculously long. Definitely not a lot of power on this one. It's not going to fly really fast or give you super acrobatic abilities, but if you're looking for something that's going to give you a long flight time, cruise around, not too noisy, this one is definitely an interesting one to check out if you're into the 1300 size motors and longer flight times. Okay, this is the XF3 from Nadisi. This is a pretty nice 3-inch frame, top mount battery. It's obviously a sort of a shrunken down alien style frame. You can check out that video for the build and how I put this together with these Tachyon 1108 motors. So the 1108 motors give you more top end than 1106 motors, but the 6000 kV, so I only ran it on 3S. This is a nice frame. It flies pretty nice. I probably will be testing out different motors on this frame, so you'll be seeing other videos down the road. But yeah, this one I thought was pretty good, so if you want to check out that video, look at the link in the description. Okay, so this is the IH3 Pro from IFlight RC. This comes as a bind and fly with the receiver already on here, and it's set up for long range. It's got the FreeSky R9 Mini receiver, so you're going to need obviously some sort of a FreeSky R9 transmitter, either the R9M module or the R9M Lite module. But if you're looking to do some 3-inch long range HD video recording, this one is one you want to check out. Obviously, you're limited by your battery size and your 5.8 GHz FPV, so you're probably not going to go more than 2 miles at the most, I think, on this one. But you're definitely going to have good reception in terms of your control, way more than FreeSky on 2.4 GHz. So yeah, if you're looking for something like this to go into sort of interesting places, get some aerial video, definitely check out this video. Okay, so my micro of the month here is going to be the Babyhawk-R Pro. Obviously, the updated version here with 2.5-inch arms and 2.5-inch props. Flies great out of the box, comes with a tune from the factory, and does come as a bind and fly and then plug and play. If you get the bind and fly, it's going to come with a FreeSky D8 receiver, and the plug and play, obviously, you'll have to add your own receiver. Yeah, this basically updated frame, canopy, camera, and flight stack. They have the same motors as on the original Babyhawk-R, but the production ones have the open bottom design, but essentially it's the same 1106 6000 kV motors. So for these of you guys that are screaming that 3S is not dead yet, this is the one you want to check out because this obviously is a 3S setup. I know a lot of other things are going to 4S now. I think 1106 4500 kV on Forest is kind of popular. So yeah, if you're still hanging on to 3S and want to fly 3S and want to use your 3S packs, you want to check out this particular micro. Okay, so for you diehards out there that have made it to the end of the video, I am considering ending this series because of lack of interest, and so I want to gauge the level of interest in this sort of like roundup at the end of the month here. It is getting a bit tedious to do. I would just rather just make some other type of video than this one with my time. Let me know in the comments below if you want to have this series saved and continued, and depending upon how the comments come out at the end here, you might see more of these videos, or if the response is lacking a lack of interest, then I'm going to end this series. So if you want this series saved, leave a comment below. Let me know how you feel about this, and if you want to see this series continued. Otherwise, I'm going to be ending it. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.